Today, I'm going to teach you how to allow other Weebly users to edit your website. This is incredibly useful if you're collaborating with team members or clients and need to grant them access to make changes without sharing your main account credentials. First, you'll want to navigate to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Website, so go ahead and click on it. Directly underneath, you'll notice Edit Site. Click that to proceed to the next stage. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. If you have multiple sites, select the one you'd like to add editors to. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click it to enter the editor page of your website. You're now in the main editor interface. Focus your attention on the top menu bar and locate the Settings option. Click on it to access your site's configuration options. Once you're in Settings, shift your focus to the left side menu. Here, you'll find an option called Editors. This is the section specifically designed for managing who can access and edit your Weebly website. Click on Editors to open it. Inside the Editors section, you'll see a button that says Add Editor. Click this to begin the process of inviting someone to collaborate on your site. A form will appear asking you to add the email address of the person you want to invite as an editor. Type in their email carefully to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. Below the email field, you'll have the option to include a message with the email invitation. This is helpful if you want to provide context or instructions to the person you're inviting. Next, you'll need to set their permission level. You can choose from admin, author, or dashboard only. However, keep in mind that the author and dashboard only options require you to upgrade your Weebly plan. If you're on a basic plan, admin will be your default choice, which grants full editing access. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and chosen the appropriate permission level, look to the lower right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Save Editor. Click it to finalize and send the invitation. And that's it. You've successfully added an editor to your Weebly website, giving them the access they need to contribute to your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.